I got this new toy, which is actually a superpower machine. It's the PowerBook 3400C. It has all the ports, VGA, Ethernet port, CD drive, and the subwoofers, which you can see here in the display. And it's actually very huge. So for comparison, this is my MacBook, which I use for my work now. And I have two of them. And if they are stacked, they are still smaller than the PowerBook. And actually, I have here somewhere the Mac Mini, or the older one, the taller one, which is a full desktop, and it's still smaller than the PowerBook, just in the height, not speaking even about the sheer volume of the device. And it's actually in quite good shape. There is some dirt from a sticker on the top, but they can be cleaned easily. The battery also didn't leak, so I can show it to you now. You can see there is no leakage, and also in the battery compartment everything looks fine. It's corrosion free. And it has still these stands, which are missing on so many PowerBooks, and they are still fully working, so you can use it for having a better angle for typing. And yeah, that's it. Oh, this one is a bit hard to put back. Okay. And I will show you the notebook. Oh, it's not good in the view, I think. So you can see here the lower part and the display, and it seems the display isn't broken. There is some dirt, but that can be cleaned. Unfortunately, the seller told me that the notebook is not working, because he can't test it, or because he doesn't have the charging cable, which is for this port. And it's not the barrel one, but I will use the same trick I did for the PowerBook 180. But obviously I can't use this connector, but there is one connector I have which can fit inside. It's from these old yucky headphones, and you can see it fits there nicely. So I will try to use this connector for the charging, and that should be fine. It is the standard headphone jack. I will show how to make a charger from headphones in another video, so it's easier to find on the YouTube if someone is looking for a specific topic.